Village and I'm here from Storage King. I'm here with Sally Flower from Home Sanctuary. Sally is Australia's first trained KonMari consultant.
That's right, I'm Australia's first trained, which means I am here to teach you how to pack a wardrobe using the KonMari method. Now in the KonMari method, we pack the items vertically. The reason we do this is so that we can see what we have and we know what we have. So Stacey, you can help me here. What we're going to do is place our t-shirts face down, and then we're going to take one item from the side all the way into the collar line. Then we fold the sleeve in, and we do the same thing on the other side. And then bring it in. Go from bottom to top, and I would recommend folding in thirds. So you'd fold here and there again, and it should stand up on its own. Now once we have the t-shirt like this, we want to be putting it in a large carton. So what box do we have here today, Stacey?
So this is the Book and Wine box.
A Book and Wine box. And the reason I think it's great for wardrobes is it's not too heavy and it's not too large, which means we're going to be able to put a lot of our clothes in there, and then when we move it into our storage unit, we can carry it easily. So when we pack it back in, we'll be folding it like so, packing them in vertically. What this means is that when I'm at my destination, I know what I have, and if you're anything like me and you get to your destination and you're too tired to set your wardrobe up, you can start taking things out of the box when you're ready. In the KonMari method, we also fold our intimates vertically. And the reason we do this is so that we can see what we have and we know what we have. So I have some men's and women's jocks here. So I'm going to show Stacey how to fold them. I'm going to take these ones. They're clean, I promise. Face down again. And then you want to fold into the center line in thirds again. Roll the bottom up and then in half again. And then you would stack that into a small container like so.
That's so neat.
So neat, looks so good, right? And the same with women's. So you would have the women's undies, you would fold the sides in and then fold in half and in half again, and then that would stack in the box. Now once you've done that, you can then put it in the box on top of the clothes that are already folded. And the reason I recommend doing this is it just makes it simpler when you get to your destination, that you can take everything out and put them in the drawers instantly. It's going to save you so much time when you unpack. We also fold our socks vertically. So in the KonMari method, instead of balling our socks, we fold them in half and then we roll them up. And the reason we do this is so that we don't stretch the elastic. So if you are going to be putting your socks or other items like stockings in storage for a long time, say you're going overseas, I would highly recommend doing this so that when you come back home, your socks aren't ruined and stretched.
That's such a good idea.
Makes a big difference, I reckon.
Yeah.
You would put the whole thing in here, or if you wanted to, you can make them tighter, and then your box is ready for storage.